Happy Tuesday. I'm Jennifer from the Somerset County Family Community Health Science Department, and I'm in the kitchen today showing you a simple recipe for chicken salad that I've adapted from the American Heart Association. This is Heart Month, and that is a great resource if you're looking for heart healthy recipes, to go to www.heart.org. So this is where I adapted it from. They had a lot of different ingredients that I did not have on hand. So that's what's great about chicken salad, because you can adapt it to your flavor preference and what ingredients that you have on hand. Usually when I make chicken salad, I'm pretty basic. I basically take chicken or even leftover turkey and use a little bit of mayo, a dash of Dijon mustard, and a dash of pepper and usually onion powder, and I always include celery for the crunch. So we're going to add some new ingredients to this one to really pack the flavor, pack the texture, and actually boost nutrients. So starting with your chicken. The recipe called for canned chicken, and that's a great option, especially to have that staple stocked in your pantry. I took a chicken breast and just boiled it yesterday and then just diced it up. So I'm going to add that to my bowl. I'm halving the recipe because I only used one breast. This is what's great about chicken salad. You can have a recipe to make it smaller. You can double it to make it bigger. So we have one chicken breast. You can also use rotisserie chicken. That's also a great shortcut. If you have some rotisserie chicken left over from dinner the night before, then you can, take off all the good bits and make that into chicken salad. So for our ingredients, to give it some color and to give it some texture, we're gonna add some things for crunch. The recipe called for water chestnuts. That wasn't an ingredient that I had, but I always love celery in my chicken salad. So I diced up a stalk of celery and a little bit of red onion. Now this was something fun to add, nuts. How many of you have ever added nuts? Hi, good morning. How many of you have added nuts to chicken salad? It's not something that I usually have done. So I've taken walnuts. They are really a heart healthy nut. They are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. So you just take, this was a little bit less than a quarter of a cup of walnuts. I always have walnuts in my fridge just for snacking, or when I bake, I love putting walnuts in my cookies. Right? Me and my mom love walnuts. My kids don't like the nuts. So at Christmas, I actually baked half my chocolate chip cookies plain and half with the walnuts in it. So everybody was happy. So I'm adding some walnuts for omega and for crunch. And another option is to add some fruit. So grapes, I have red grapes, purple grapes. So you're just gonna have them. Just cut them in half. So I have some grapes. If you don't have grapes on hand, dried cranberries is also a fantastic staple to have in your pantry. You just take, a handful of dried cranberries in there. So we have our chicken with our celery, our red onion, our walnuts, and our grapes. So now to make the dressing. So there's always a little bit of mayo in our salad. I personally don't like it very creamy. So this is a great tip when you're making a salad. Start off less. And if you need more, you can add it, because you can't take it away after you've already added it. So I'm just going to use 1 heaping tablespoon of mayo. Maybe 2. Okay. And then to really give it flavor, I'm going to add Greek yogurt. It really gives it a tang, and then you're boosting up the nutrition because you're having some protein. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you could use like a low-fat sour cream. Okay, we're gonna add a scoop of that. And then for more tang, the Dijon. I love this Dijon. I talked about it last week when I showed you my options for deviled eggs. So we're just gonna put about a teaspoon of Dijon and a dash of pepper. Hey, this looks good, this smells so good. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, and then I can judge if I need to add more cream or not. I know some people like it real creamy. Okay, this actually looks good for my preference. So this is awesome. This is what's going to be for lunch today. So you just want to gently mix all your ingredients together. Okay, now to serve it up, I have a few options to show you. Okay, I had some veggies cut up on my platter, and I have some quinoa corn chips. So anything whole grain so that you're getting the fiber and making it heart healthy. So I'm just going to fill my little bowl here. This also would be great on top of a bed of lettuce. So you can have a nice big green salad and top it with your chicken salad. You can have a sandwich with whole grain bread or a whole grain wrap. Okay. So that's how I would plate it up and serve it with my veggies and my chips. Another cute way to serve it is taking a whole pepper. Wash your pepper, just carve out the top, take out your seeds, and then you can scoop your chicken salad inside your pepper. And then I love like eating your bowl. So you eat your salad and then you have your pepper to eat. You can also do it with a tomato. So that's just a fun way to kind of eat your chicken salad. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to dive right in here and have a really healthy lunch today. Have a great day.